to do this artwork. I'm so excited because today we're starting an ocean animal series. Yeah, as you can see, I've already prepared a nice ocean background. And for today, we are going to draw a dolphin. Yeah, I love dolphins. They are so smart and so playful. Would you like to join me? Alright, let's go! So I'll be using a pencil and later I'll change into marker, okay? So we're going to start by making a very long curvy line, okay? Watch this. Well done! Good job! Alright, now let's continue that line, okay? Watch this. Got it? Alright, so now we are going to add the tail, okay? Watch this. Alright, now let's add the other half. Good job! Okay, so now let's add the fin. It'll be a bit like a rounded triangle, okay? Watch this. Good job! Now let's make the dolphin's mouth, okay? So we're going to make a curve over here. Another curve over here. And now let's add a tongue inside. And another line at the end of the mouth. Good job, everyone! And now we are going to finish off this mouth, okay? Let's make another line over here. Looking good! Alright, so now we're going to add a fin, okay? Watch this. Alright, now let's add another one at the bottom. Watch this. Looking good. Let's add the eyes now. We're going to make a circle right above here. Alright, I think our dolphin now looks great. Let's switch to marker and then erase the pencil marks, okay? Let's do that. Alright, I'm back with my marker. So, let's bolden this line, okay? Let's start by the head. Alright, and now the mouth. Alright, let's continue the mouth. Got it? Alright, now let's continue bolden the line. Okay, and now it's the fin. And the fin behind. Alright, let's continue this. Let's do the tail now. Good job! Let's finish it up. Alright, and now the top fin. Alright, and let's do the eyes. Now before we continue, let's erase these pencil marks, okay? Okay, our dolphin is looking really good. So, let's color in the eyes and add an eyebrow. I'm going to add a smaller circle inside the eyes as the highlight, okay? Alright, I think our dolphin is looking really great, and all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Hey, that dolphin looks so great! Thank you so much for joining me today. I plan to draw more animals to add to this ocean landscape picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can draw again together. Alright, I hope you all have a nice day and I hope to see you in the next one, okay? Keep on smiling, keep on drawing. Love you, bye.